Hey guys, I am Ina Safdar. Today we are going to discuss a topic of global supply chain. Please like and subscribe our channel for appreciating us. Here we will discuss this topic in a group. My group members are Huma Safdar, Mohammad Jahangir, Mohammad Shiraz and Wajur Rahman. This topic assigned us by Mr. Basharat Ahmed, the most respected professor of our university. So here we will discuss some areas for improvement of a company that's Fast Cable. Fast Cable Manufacturing Company is a leading company in cable manufacturing. Here first of all I am going to introduce Fast Cables. Since its inception in 1985, Fast Cable Limited has emerged as Pakistan's leading and most trusted electrical cable manufacturers. Here we will discuss about the history of fast cables. The time from 1991 to 1995 is a tough time for the fast cables. Fast Cable Company is the first company to offer direct marketing and sales of cables. It enhanced manufacturing capacity in that time and enhancing on customer satisfaction on this time. Here, if we talk about 1985, when it was established, it's just a single or small company that's working in Pakistan, but their aim to manufacture their cables and separate their cables in all over the world. If we talk about the vision, mission and values of the company, that is a very important point of any company. Here the vision of the company is to become the market leader in cables and conductor industry by offering quality products. Most and more important thing in the cable industry. Here the mission of this company is to provide quality products to our valued customer in the cable and conductor industry in a cost effective manners. Cost is also a very important thing in our society and in our market. So if we talk about the values, here there are some values of this company: quality, innovation, customer focus, performance with integrity, teamwork and respect for all. That's are very important points for any company. Here you can see the manufacturing process of fast cables. This process is step by step process. To maintain quality, they focus on each and every process of manufacturing. For the further proceed, I am going to hand over Mr. Jahangir. Thank you so much.
Hello guys, my name is Jahangir and I'm going to tell you about the areas for improvement. The areas for improvement are incorrect time management and inaccurate inventory and outfitting. Now I'm going to tell you that how to improve them. They need to adopt lean warehouse operations practices, avoid procrastination when receiving shipments. They need to conduct employee training, create omni-channel fulfillment centers. They need to review effectiveness, which is most important. They need to understand how to organize their inventory. And the last, they need to run an audit of their warehouse. Now, how can inventory accuracy be improved? They need to maintain their inventory in a well-organized warehouse. They need to establish good inventory naming and labeling practices. They need to define and follow efficient storage and receipt processes and policies. Use cycle counting. They need to limit and track access to inventory. They need to use technology to their advantage. They need to choose the right inventory management system. Transition to using modern technologies such as inventory management software to track their inventory data.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Mohammad Shiraz and my area of improvement in this project to access stock and to start optimizing your use of warehouse space. The shape of the warehouse is also important depending on the type of product to be stored. The manufacturing process starts with the resources of premium quality raw material which are subjected to a series of checks to ensure that only the best material are used for the product. Road braking and wire drawing. road braking and wire drawing convert in copper or aluminium raw material into required sizes for different type of conductor or cables. To access stock and to start optimizing your use of warehouse space with the help of some techniques like vertically extend your racking upward with use of vertical space, narrow the SL width in the racking area, use underutilized space, and right sizing of your slot.
Hello everyone, my name is Wajir Rahman and today I am going to talk about AFI's area of improvement in globalization and damaged product. Globalization. Fast cable have a significant opportunity to boost their growth and productivity through wide participation in global trade. That export have high productivity growth. That leaves a question how. They need to adjust with the trade demand of globalized world by designing a supply chain network. To remain competitive in the market, they need to adopt effectiveness and responsiveness. A few core strategies: offering high quality product at low cost, reliable delivery time, and low overheads. These things will help and allow for a long-term stability in global market despite temporary and localized economic trends. Damaged products. In warehouse and manufacturing operations, things get break. They break in a number of ways and it's expensive. Reducing product damage at your manufacturing facility and warehouse is very important. In fast cable, the conductor and cables are rolled on drums of iron. The work in process and finished goods move in facility with the help of forklifters and cranes, which can cause damage to the product. They can reduce it by not overloading the capacity of drums and arranging them in a sequence according to the need and use of drums, lightening up the operation and facility properly, keeping it clean, utilizing conveyors and cranes with safety and proper manners. Work ergonomically means balance caution versus speed to maintain the price low of product.
Assalamu alaikum guys, I am Huma Safdar. First, my fellows discuss with you the area of improvement of fast cable and give the solution of these problems accordingly. Today, fast cable grow up fastly and sell their product in abroad as well as national level and make their name in abroad and national. I hope this is informative video for you and you like this video. Thank you.